With the NASDAQ down over 3% today, AMC stock falling below $15 to $14.90, GameStop getting ripped by over 10% today, it is clear that we are in a very, very difficult market, potentially a bear market, and stock market crash is trending on Twitter. Guys, a lot of people, they love that doom and gloom story, and they have to talk about it, they have to promote that idea, but is this a stock market crash? Are we looking at a continuation of the crash? And if so, how does this fare for AMC? Because I know the vast majority of people out there have the vast majority of their portfolios in AMC stock, GameStop, these meme stocks that are out there waiting for a massive run up in price. So I want to talk about whether or not we're facing a stock market crash right now and what this means for your holdings in AMC or any other meme stock for that matter. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. $100 deposit is going to get you at least 5 free stocks right now, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you your choice of $5 in free crypto. And then you guys got crypto exclusive exchanges if you'd like those as well, each with their own rewards. But we got a lot to talk about because the stock market is clearly getting hit and getting hit very hard. Now, if you guys are part of the live streams or hang out in the live streams, you know that the NASDAQ has a very strong or had a very strong level of support at 13,300 points. It broke that level today and I believe ended somewhere around 12,800 points. And the next major / minor level of support that we're going to see isn't until 12,500 points. We could fall another 300 points on the NASDAQ before we reach another level of support. So it is possible, absolutely possible, to continue this decline, and as such, I would expect AMC continues to decline as well. But it doesn't mean that these technical analysis methods or these levels of support and resistance are going to hold true every single time. We've got so much going on in the world right now that technical analysis, I mean, throw it out the window if you want. The fundamental analysis of companies, throw it out the window if you want. What's going on between Russia and the Ukraine? What's going on with inflation and interest rates? It could absolutely spiral out of control even further than it already has. Now, I know that stock market crash is trending on Twitter right now, and this could be devastating if it does. Because I don't think we've experienced a crash. I don't think that this pullback that we've seen so far in AMC or in the NASDAQ or S&P 500 Dow, I do not think we have experienced a stock market crash yet. But I do think one is possible. Is it probable? Probably not. But I do think it's possible. So let's take a look at that, because there's going to be people out there telling you that if the stock market crashes, because AMC stock has a negative beta, you're going to watch AMC stock soar, and therefore the short squeeze is going to take place. I would like that, okay? I would like if the stock market crashed and AMC was soaring in value so that we could all go out there and take our squeeze gains and buy all of the other stocks for pennies on the dollar. That would be a perfect world scenario. I mean, clearly, it's going to be a terrible world because of why the stock market's crashing, but it's wishful thinking, and it's nice when somebody tells you that something great could happen to your portfolio. But looking at it, you know, if Russia continues to escalate tensions in the Ukraine, if Russia starts to go beyond Ukraine's borders, if the United States and NATO start to get involved in this war in some way, if China or North Korea start to jump in, like, do you guys understand the intensity that this could bring to the stock market? So if you're looking at a 20% decline from where the NASDAQ was to where it is right now, it could absolutely get even worse. Now, does this mean that you should sell your AMC? No. Does this mean that it's going to happen? No. I just need everybody to be aware of the possibilities that we could see further declines in the stock market. Now, talking directly about AMC, If the stock market continues lower, people are going to use that excuse, like I say, about the negative beta, about hedge funds losing money, potentially getting margin called. It doesn't necessarily mean that AMC is going to be their cover, that they go out there and cover their shares of AMC so that they can, continue to be liquid and cover those margin calls. They've got plenty of other positions that they can close out and let their shares in AMC stock ride if they so wish. This is not an easy game, and it is intended to be a transfer of wealth. People don't give up all of the money that they have earned over their lifetime to other people willingly and easily. If you expect to make if you expect a transfer of wealth from hedge funds to retail investors, it is going to take a lot. And trust me when I tell you, this market has a lot facing it right now. I mean, you're talking, like I say, this inflation. Imagine, if you want to talk about worst case scenarios for the stock market, imagine, the tensions and the wars escalating over in Eastern Europe. Imagine sanctions increasing both on the U.S. and coming from the U.S. China, one of the greatest exporters in the world, starts to get involved, and sanctions spiral out of control. Everybody starts going against everybody else. Inflation, I mean, think about it. Inflation now is great. It's 7.5%, 8%. If all of a sudden we're having to manufacture all of our goods, and we're talking producing goods at 3, 4, 5 times the cost that it takes to produce goods now, inflation could run wild. And that would just be the beginning, guys. That would just be the beginning. So please, don't take this as a doom and gloom video that everything is going to be coming to an end. It is, I truly do not believe that it is spiraling out of control right now. We could wake up tomorrow. Everything could be pleasant. There could be peace. There could be peace on earth tomorrow, right? And AMC would absolutely stand to benefit from that. If the uncertainty turns to certainty, and I don't even care if that's a certainty of, bad things to come. If the uncertainty turns to certainty, money will flow back into the markets. When money flows back into the markets, money will flow back into AMC. When money flows back into AMC, that's when the stock price for AMC rises. When the stock price for AMC rises, that's when shorts start to get a little scared. And if volume is lower, the stock price is rising. That is a perfect storm for an AMC stock short squeeze. So yes, we may have some difficult times ahead of us. Yes, we may be facing a stock market crash. Yes, AMC is taking longer than expected for the AMC stock short squeeze. But yes, we will be here and we are not leaving. AMC is a short squeeze, and I will be here until the shorts cover. I want to know if you guys are going to be here until the shorts cover, and if you're going to hold through a crash, if you're going to hold no matter what. If AMC is, if you're here for the AMC stock short squeeze, let us know in the comments. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. We will BinanceGeminiCrypto.com in the description. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.